Every Burns. Subscribe. Hey guys, it's your girl Ava. And today's video, I'm gonna use my coupon that I got from school. Go get some slime stuff. And before we get into this video, I'll do anything else. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and share Instagram and Facebook. Instagram and Facebook, hit a big thumbs up, and TikTok. And so right now we're ready to go. So Ava Roche. Wake up. Mommy and Daddy. Boom 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 boom. You. Ava Roche. You. I'm tired out this. Tired. Cool. Man, I'm tired. Hey guys, I made it to Whataburger. I got my money and I got my cookies. Your change? Okay guys, I'm ready and I got my drink. I got Pepsi. Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
Did you back out? Got it?
After we go to Walmart and get the stuff for the slime, maybe chips. Y'all know my mom gonna let me get chips. Comment down below and subscribe if y'all think my mom's gonna let me get chips, but
Number 50?
share on Instagram and Facebook if you think she's not gonna let me get chips. I already know, I can see it on your face. She always does this pick a snack. She always do that when we go to the store. When I get to the store. Okay guys, I got my drink and I got my food. Now I'm gonna go find out where the car is. Looks like the car is driving to us and we might walk into the. Hey guys, we just made it to Walmart. Now I'm about to go in and see what they got. Go to Walmart and get the stuff for the slime, maybe chips. Y'all know my mom gonna let me get chips. I already know, I can see it on your face. I said these are good for me. Okay, guys, so I had to take a bathroom break because and my mom had to use it really bad, especially my mom. And now Dad's trying to try it. It's like I hate it. Okay guys, so we have it. This is cute. And look, this is what I had last time. I had this one. We're gonna do this. Okay guys, this is what I got so far. So I got some glue and some activators. So now we're gonna go try to find some. We're gonna go try to find washer powder, shaving cream, and yeah. matter of fact, tell them that the slime video is gonna be tomorrow, or maybe tonight. Hey guys, this is the shirt I got. I told you she's already. It's a Stitch shirt. Looks like my friend do like Stitch. Guys, I got my shaving cream. So this is my. I got activator. Chips and so we had to come to Family Dollar to get glitter, but yeah, no glittering. Freaking I was looking at that. I was not. But I'm looking at this. Plus, I love it. These are. So I got this one, like Jenna had last time.
Because when I do it with my daughter for her nap time, around 1, she don't last about 5 minutes.
I got everything. Now catch up when I get home in the nursery. Okay guys, I just made it back and I have a new person and it is Kain! I always wanted a brother.
I always wanted a brother. I always wanted a brother.
Let's do that today. Okay, so and we have some ingredients. We have some shaving cream. We have some glue. And we have some glitter. And we have the liquid. And then we all of stuff. But we gotta mix it first. And glitter. I just said that. Okay, now. So first you're gonna want to take the shaving cream up already. Okay, first we're gonna put this over to the side. I'm gonna open. Yeah, ooh, let me see if it's already open. Ooh, and this. I never made slime before. I haven't either. I made it one time with Jenna. I was it. So I made my mom buy me some so I can make more. Yeah, you go got cookies and share with my brother. What the fuck? No, not that. I'm gonna get the activator. Get it out of here. Why doesn't it start? Guys, we don't go. Awkward side up. Oh my god. Awkward silence, bro. There's no talking. Where's the talking? How you been doing at school today? Good. What you do at school today? Oh. Guys, we're done adding our glue. After magical drops like we did last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bro, what give me 4? 2 fingers and you mix it. Ready? Say go. You have to mix it fast so I can look at. Mom! This is my first time making clear slime. I made the white slime with Jenna. What was that video? Garbage guy. We're gonna make another batch. Are we gonna make 4? Okay guys, so we're just gonna make one batch. Then I'm gonna make some more slime for y'all tomorrow. After and I'm gonna be in it too though. Cause I wanna eat it. Okay, this is not coming. Okay. Mix that. It's getting more activated inside of it. Yeah, that's all we need. Mine's coming up. Sorry guys, the table's moving. It's because we're mixing it too hard. I found some. Okay, Kain, wait. Let me give me some more actor. Okay. Yes, I have some more activator. Because it was sticky. Like sticky.
Bro, mine is turning to slime, but it's,
Sticky.
And whoever be watching this video, y'all need to comment.
Yeah. And guys, I said my intro the wrong way. So don't do too much on the intro now.
Cause we
I forgot it. Okay, Kain. Mix that. Okay, guys, so mine is good.
Mine's too. Look at that drip.
Okay, let me see.
Oh my god. I need to add some more glue and some shaving cream. Oh.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna add some shaving cream. Put this up.
I'm gonna get mad and slapped it. It's so sticky. Can you touch my hands? Oh, get out of here! Mix it?
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
This is the best slime ever. It says to make it fluffy. If this fast doesn't work, can we make another one?
Me too.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy!
Okay, it's getting fluffy. Okay. I just want to make another batch.
We can make
Okay.
another batch.
This is this color.
Cause at nighttime, me and Neighbor gonna mix it. We be rolling on.
Okay. Wait, let me get.
Mine's turning white.
Don't get too much because then it's going to make your slime hard. Okay, guys. At first, I was like, this is going to be a fail because...
Hey, nah. You need us.
You could have just got some more...
Good, right?
I don't.
Sketchy.
The shaving cream kind of made it
Sticky.
Yeah, sticky. So I added some activator. And it should be it.
It's sticky on my hands.
Play with it faster. Oh. Hey guys, we got Kain situated. Now we're gonna make the last batch and do our glitter. Okay, so this is mine. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do our next batch. I have so much favorite group.
Next batch. It's next.
It's the next batch.
Take it on this side. Peace. Ain't no way, bro. Alright, give me the activator.
Wait.
There's glue.
Oh, come on.
I'm gonna wait till she done. Why get together that fast?
I don't know. The first batch came it's like a good one. It's fluffy.
Like, look at mine. Look at Ava's. Ava's got something on it.
That's whipped cream. Shaving cream. Why did I call it whipped cream?
We saw some. The shaving cream made it turn white. It was clear. See, bro.
Oh,
And now it's got a little bit, bro. Get off the table.
Like,
Kain,
Let's do it like
Crease that. Table right now. Do that slime. Okay, I put a lot of glue and it turned out to this tiny little slime.
we need some activate.
This is perfect.
Yeah, cause I know I'm a slime keeper. Playing with me, boy. You play with me? I got some. You want some slime? Just ask me.
But ask some shaving cream while this crazy boy is talking over there.
Who are you talking to? Do I have too much? That's like a poo turd.
Okay, ready? Set, go. First time mix this.
It's my last time making slime when I was slime baby. And so I have place with these. I got some good slime keepers.
My slime just got big. This is too big. I got a big.
Stop.
Take yours.
Yeah. This batch is cool, but it got some.
This is. Don't actually do that. my batch is tiny. It's so big now.
That's old slime? Yeah, but stop playing with me.
It's kind of like a little sticky slime. Then mine all mixed in first so I can show them what mine turned out to.
Some more activator.
Okay, wait.
Bro, my activator air. I say haters. I say pater. You hit the haters. I hit the satyrs. Ever hit that? Yeah, I'm done. I be making best slime.
I'm almost done. I don't know about Kain over there, but I'm almost done with mine.
Oh, right here. That's some shaving cream.
Mine is very gingerly slime. It's a 10 out of 10.
No, never gonna get.
Yeah, I'm scared about that. I think it's gonna be fine. No, I think it's because we added 2. We're supposed to not add 2 glitters. I mean, Jenna said 2 glitters, and I think we're not supposed to add. That's what you. So now I kind of add our glitter. I'm just gonna get this white. Which color you gonna get?
You kick people's stuff, bro. You kick my stuff. Get that out of here. Go back.
I think it's not making it hard because of the shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
keep saying crazy. Favorite crazy. Look at not this looking. Look, y'all. At least it's still soft. I need some. Give me. I need some more today. Let me get my slime. That's all. That is about to be so cool. I had some more shaving cream because mine started to get thick and not scratchy. Mine's always getting scratchy, y'all. Hope it don't get thick. I hope your face don't get thick. We rapping today. We're gonna rap tomorrow. I'm gonna start rapping tomorrow. Y'all hear that? It's rapping time. It's slapping time. It's baking time. I hear slapping time. Look at my slime, baby. Why are you doing it? Oh, I'm about to play with my slime, y'all. Man, which one's softer? I think Kain one is not the softest in mine. Mine is too soft. Okay, you guys, it's getting late, so I'm about to end this video. So if you like this video, hit a big cheesy. Okay, guys, so that's the end of today's video because it's getting late. But I have school in the morning. So if you like this video, hit a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the little bell. Don't forget to share Instagram and Facebook. Peace out, my beautiful fans. TikTok. We need some more apples. Let me see. You need no more. That's no. We're about to go take a shower. Bye. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, and after I get off of here, I'm gonna make some more slime. Comment down below how many batches of slime you want us to make tomorrow. Peace.